hello everyone. I am here at the Dream Living Movement MotoGP at Chang International 2026, Thailand. What goes around comes around. Let me tell you the story. 3 months back at Buddha International Racetrack, I was right in front of George Martin's pit, and my destiny brought me here at Chang International again in front of the whole team of George Martin and his pit.
Goes like this, start with a track. Just like this, here for the night. Put my name on my back as a just keep touching. Just keep touching. Just keep touching. If you can't keep up with me, you can love me. Just keep watching. Girls like this, move in the back, eyes on me. Hate like that, just like this. Here for the night, do it by then. Just keep watching. Girls like this, move in the back, eyes on me. Hate like that, just like this. Here for the night, do it by then.
So finally we are done with the MotoGP, and it was a very great experience in the pit, outside the pit, on the service road, in the stands. It was a very great experience here. Thank you so much Race Motors and iExon for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you and see you soon.
Just keep watching.